Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss about two incidents that was happen in clinical trial history. So they are Nuremberg trial and thalidomide tragedy. So first we discuss in this video, that is Nuremberg trials. So what is the Nuremberg trial and what is the Nuremberg codes and the thalidomide tragedy, and what is about the thalidomide tragedy and Nuremberg trial. So in this video I am going to discuss about these two incidents which happens in clinical trial history. So first we discuss about the Nuremberg trial. So in 1946 the Nuremberg trial was happen. So in this trial, then the doctors which involve or which trying to perform a clinical trial without any consent of the volunteer. So they involve this type of experiment on the healthy human volunteer. So this is the Nuremberg trial. So 15 to 23 doctors found guilty in 1947, means they performed the clinical trial on the healthy human volunteer without the consent of their own. So this is the one of the most crime against the humanity. So they include the experiment they was performed. So they that are twin studies, freezing response, malaria experiments, mustard gas experiments, sulfonamides experiment, seawater experiment, and sterilization experiment. So this is the experiment that was performed on the healthy human volunteer that are not basically involved as per the ethical rules and guidelines, and they were not sign any kind of informed consent form. So this is the one of the biggest crime which was happen in the clinical trial history against the healthy human volunteer. So this is about the Nuremberg trial. So now we are going to discuss about the Nuremberg code. So because of the Nuremberg trial, the Nuremberg Code in 1947 was introduced or published by the government because of that crime that was happen in Nuremberg Code. So that is the Nuremberg Code include the ethical guidelines or principle that everyone should follow when going to perform any kind of research against research on the human volunteer. So it includes volunteer consent is essential, means volunteer consent form is essential before conducting any clinical trials, and subject have the right to end their participation research. Third one is the research risk must be minimized and relative to anticipated benefits of research, means the benefits of for human volunteer is more than the risk which involved in the clinical trial. So this type of some guidelines or ethical principle was published in the Nuremberg Code because of the Nuremberg trial that was happened in 1946. So this is about the Nuremberg Code and Nuremberg trial. So now we are going to discuss about the thalidomide tragedy. So now we are going to discuss about the thalidomide tragedy. So in 1962, the another tragedy was happen in the clinical trial history, that was a thalidomide tragedy that was happen in Germany and carried on in Canada and United States. So basically it includes the thalidomide drug, which given as a sleep inducing drug and morning sickness of pregnant woman, but after some times it result in a horrible birth defect that was shown in their shown as a side effect of the thalidomide. So it result in Kefauver-Harris amendment gave to the Food and Drug Administration new power to regulate drug testing, marketing, and advertising. So because of this thalidomide tragedy, the Kefauver-Harris amendments was introduced in 1962. So it includes the testing of the guidelines which help in testing, marketing, and advertising drug before actual selling of that particular drug. So it monitored by the FDA, and before going to perform any kind of clinical research, the IND application made by the sponsor to the FDA for the permission of clinical trial. So this is because of thalidomide tragedies happen. So because of that, the IND application was started because of this thalidomide tragedy. So the strict criteria of patient selection, which also was introduced to the overall to the world to follow before the conducting any clinical research. So this is about the clinical trial history. So it include the two in this video we included two incident that is first one is a thalidomide Nuremberg code, and second one is a thalidomide tragedy. So this is basic information about these two incidents. So thank you guys.